Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look right here. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so starting off, I'm going to be taking this palette by PIXI, and I'm going to be applying the shade Deep Taupe, and I'm going to be taking that on this PIXI brush EO3, and I'm going to be just stamping it all over. A bigger brush just to further blend things out. Alright, taking this blush palette from Tarte, I'm just going to be taking the shade Genuine and putting that on my cheekbones. Alright, now going back in with Bronze Gleam, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lower lash. And now I'm going to be taking Sheer Sand, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner corner of my eyes. So taking this knobby lip liner in the shade Coffee, and I'm going to be lip lining my lips. Taking this Beauty Bakery lipstick, I don't know the name, I'll have it linked down below, and I'm just going to be applying it on my lips. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!